Hey everybody. All right, here we go. We're gonna try the Saker Pretty Pink electric mini chainsaw. First run, here we go. That's pretty darn handy. Be great to carry around on the four-wheeler or side by side, something like that, where you just need to knock a limb. Nice, lightweight, one-hand operation. We'll do some long-term testing, see how it holds up. Fell off. First impressions, not too shabby. Pretty darn handy anyway. So anyway, Saker 20 volt max mini electric chainsaw. We'll beat on her and see how it holds up. See y'all.